So hello everyone, welcome to Nature and Nature Boy. In this video I am going to tell you the top 10 fruit plants which can be easily used to make bonsai even for beginners. And apart from fruit plants, I will make another top 10 like top 10 flowering plants, top 10 ornamental plants and top 10 trees which can be easily used to make bonsai in my further video. And if you do not want to watch the full video, then I am going to keep the list of this top 10 in the descriptions, you can look at there. So without any delay, let's move to the video. So before moving to the top 10, 5 important points we have to be considered while selecting any plants for the bonsai preparation. So the first point is the plant should be zero in maintenance. It should not be so sensitive of light, so sensitive of water and anything, okay. And the third thing is that it can withstand heavy pruning of its leaves or branches, anything, because as you know that pruning is one of the important point in bonsai. Fourth important point is that the plant should be attractive in its branch, its roots, its bark, its fruit, anything, whatever you can, it should be attractive. And the fifth one is select the healthy plants. Do not select the weak and diseased plant for the bonsai making. So these are the 5 important points we have to be considered while selecting any plants for the bonsai preparation, okay. So in my top 10 collection, the first fruit plant is the pomegranate, the Punica granatum, anar or danima in different languages. I have selected this plant because this is the most commonly used fruit plants for bonsai preparation, and the second thing is that it is easily available throughout the country, and the third thing is that it is easy to propagate it even from seeds, and the fourth one is that it can withstand heavy pruning of its leaf, branches or even though the roots, and the fifth one is that it can grow in any soil climatic conditions, especially in the arid, and it is a zero in maintenance. And the finally, please select, if you are finding the dwarf varieties or miniature one, then please select that variety for the bonsai preparation. And second fruit plant in my top list is the tamarind, Tamarindus indica, imli, chinta in different languages. I have selected this plant because this is the second most commonly used fruit plant for bonsai preparation, and this is native to our country and it can easily grow to our Indian climatic conditions, and it can also withstand with heavy pruning, and it also required very less maintenance, very less watering, and the best thing is that its fruits, we can see the fruits and the leaves are small, which are very good for bonsai preparation. And the third fruit plant is the wood apple. I have selected this plant because the wood apple barks are white in color, which are very good for the bonsai, because when you are looking for the bonsai, its white color different from others, so it will be very good. And also its leaves are medium in size and its fruits are ball like white in color, so it's and it's also one of the zero maintenance plants which is mainly grow in dried climatic conditions, so it will be very good for bonsai preparation. And fourth plant is Pithecellium dulce. The common names are Vilaiti imli, jungle jalebi and Manila tamarind, etc. in different languages. And the most attractive part of this, it have fruits which are circular in shape, it look very good, and leaves are medium in size, and it can withstand heavy pruning, and so this is the reason why I selected this Manila tamarind. And the fifth fruit plant is the citrus species, and citrus is not most commonly used for the bonsai preparation when compared to the previous one, but it is also used for bonsai preparation. In citrus we have lemon, mandarin, pomelo, orange, kumquat, many species are there, we can use any one, no problem, but most commonly used are the sweet orange, mandarin and kumquat. And the sixth plant is the sapota or chiku. It is surprising to know that even sapota plant is used for making bonsai, because it had been successful in many places, so you can use sapota also for making bonsai. And the eighth important fruit plant is the national fruit of our country, the mango. It will not withstand with heavy pruning, but it can be used as a bonsai preparation if you do the light pruning, and if you take care, then definitely you will get the bonsai shape with the mango also. So till now I have explained the native fruit plants which can be easily available and easy to make bonsai throughout our country. So now let's talk some exotic and rare fruit plants which can be used for making bonsai. So in this category, the first one is the olive tree. This is most common and most famous in temperate and subtropical conditions. In this also we have some green leaves and white leaves and other variations we can find. And the second one is the cherry plant. In cherry we have many different species and many different colors, you can use whatever available in your surroundings. And the third one is the apple fruit plants. It is also very successful fruit plants for making bonsai. I think I have covered all the fruit plants which can be used for making bonsai through this video, and also you can watch my top 10 plant videos which are very popular, especially for landscaping, so you can go and watch there. And also you can ask me questions and your doubts related to plants, nature and landscaping on my Instagram. I have kept all the links in the description, so you can look at there. So see you in my next video.